Hello guys. So in this video, you are going to learn how you can earn some $1,000 or more every day. I mean every day how you can earn $1,000 or more without doing much effort and simply sitting from home. There is some specific strategies and system and technology to bring that into reality. So I'm talking about that. So please stay tuned and let me move to my screen. So this is all about Royal Q, which is an intelligent board that trades in cryptocurrency. So many people not ready to start trading with cryptocurrency for many reasons. One, they don't know what is that. Second, they fear about crypto. Third, what is the risk? Is it legit or a scam? A lot of questions. And you are going to understand what the reality is. So let me tell you first of all, using this particular system, which is Royal Q, there is no risk at all. There is no risk at all involved. You need no prior knowledge about trading or anything. Even a second standard or third standard student who knows about how to use a mobile or a computer can easily do it. You don't need any prior knowledge. And this is 100% secure. And basically, there is a there is no loss, means the question of loss never arises. That is the no loss policy with Royal Q, and it gives you only profit. Yes, I repeat, only profit you are getting. And let us see how you are getting all this stuff. So now let me talk about an overview about this Royal Q. Actually, it is a semi-auto intelligent robot. I call it semi-auto intelligent robot because it is not 100% auto. Even if this board gives profit for you, still we have to give some parameters or some inputs or some directions to the board how it should work. It is very simple. I will explain one by one. But what the board does trade in cryptocurrencies, and we are using the Binance or Huobi. Only in these two platforms it works. What is Binance? Binance is world's topmost cryptocurrency platform and a wallet for you. And the same Huobi is also world's topmost cryptocurrency trading center. And you will have your own accounts. I repeat, you will have your own accounts in both of these. You don't need to use both. If you want, you can use both. But basically, people use Binance only. And if in any countries if Binance is not allowed, you can use Huobi. So these things are secure. These are world's topmost platforms, and you will have to create your own account inside that, and you will be placing your trading capital in that. But how the robot is connected with this? How the bot is, I mean the Royal Q board is connected with this Binance? It is through API integration. API means application programming interface. It is not very big thing or something like that. Say people from India, you are having your Paytm wallet, your Google Pay, Phone Pay, etc. How it is connected with your bank? The same. It is just connecting your trading account Binance with this Royal Q through API method. That's it. So technically what is that? This robot using this integration watches your platform and do trade for you. You are not doing anything. You don't need to do anything. But little bit you have to do, and I will explain what is that. So now let us see. I'm taking the example of Binance, and Why we are using Binance? As you know, in Binance, there is a lot of trading platform inside Binance, like margin trading, leverage trading, spot market, lending market, a lot of stuff. But here, to reduce the risk and give you the maximum profit, the bot is going to trade for you in the spot market. What is the benefit of spot market? The features. Basically, it is one-way market. One-way market in the sense you can buy and hold your cryptocurrencies with no charges. Yes, I mean it. And second thing, whatever the transaction include, it is on the spot. If you buy, it is on the spot, and if you sell, it is on the spot. Your profit is on the spot. And why I am not talking about the loss? Because there is no loss. You cannot make a loss. That is why I am not talking about loss. Second thing, there is no margin calls. I mean, in the sense, when the market goes down, in normal trading sector, forex and etc., it may hit the stop loss and you will lose your money. Here, there is no such issues. There is no stop loss. It is out of question. Because as you know, the market goes like this. It may go up, come down, and go up. See, at these times, people worry about, oh my God, my market is going down. Don't worry, the market will recover. That is why the market is. It may take little time. Maybe some hours, maybe some days. That's it. It will recover. But here the benefit is 11:30 a.m. I'm least bothered about whether the market is going up or going down, because when the market goes up or when the market goes down, we will be earning profit. That is what the beauty of this system is, because when the market goes down, you will purchase more coins at the lowest price. Everything the bot will do. You don't need to do anything. So let us see more about that, how it can come clear, how it can come true. Now let us see, before coming to next, let us see what the profit you are getting. Hey man, you are getting around a profit of 10% to 50% every month. Where you are getting that? If you put your money in bank, I'm not against you any bank. There are some policies for banks. I'm not against that. But the bank has some limitations. They can provide you very little amount of interest, maybe some 4%, 5% or 6% or maximum 7%, that too per year. But here in this crypto trading, you are getting 10% to 50% of profit every month based on the capital that you use for trading and based on the market volatility. So you may think, when the market goes down, how will I get profit? It is going against me. No problem, you will get profit. I will explain how it. First, let us say manual trading. That is in crypto itself. If you are doing manual trading without any bot or anything, first of all, you need to understand about the market. Second thing, you need to know about the support, resistance, trend line, and you need proper signals, and the signals may get corrupted. And when the market goes down, the emotion, because your money is going down, all these factors, and especially to do the trade, you have to sit before your PC all the time, because you cannot tell at what time the market is going up, at what time the market is going down. Nothing, you don't know. So even though you know the trading, you have to sit before the PC to do trading. Otherwise, you have to enter someone. If he makes a mistake, you lost your money. So this is how the manual trading is. But in bot trading, it is entirely different. Bot do trade based on the real-time data, like a manual trading itself, but it is 24 into 7. Everything is evidence based on each and every movement of the market. Whatever coin you choose, the board can read and understand the market structure, and the board have no emotions at all. Watching the market using the martingale strategy, the board do trade 24 into 7 the entire year, that is 365, 24 into 7 into 365 without any rest. The board do trading. How it does trading? How it does? Using quantitative trading. What is quantitative trading and what is the difference with manual trading? That I am going to explain you now. See, when you are doing manual trading, suppose you entered into the market at this level and you put a target at this level. What happens? The market gone up a little bit, and at the same time you will have a stop loss at this level. You ended at this point, you put a stop loss below that and a higher target. This is how the manual trading market is working. So from here the market gone up, but it does not reach your target. The market came down and hit your stop loss, means the entire amount that you put at this area, it is lost. Clearly lost. This is how manual trading is. Now let us see next scenario. You entered into the market here. You put a stop loss somewhere here. So market gone up, little bit come down. Your target is at this level. So you're waiting, and after 1 or 2 or 3 days, the market reached here and you are getting a profit. It is true. But why quantitative trading? The strategy of quantitative trading that the robot does, I mean the board does, is entirely different. For example, you are entering the market here and the market gone up to this level. So what happens? During this transition, this movement, at every point, may some 1.1 percentage, 1.2 percentage, the board purchases and sells on profit. So at this point came, the market is going down, dears. The market is going down. Went down and reached at this point, the board buys the coin. Market again gone down. Again buys the coin. Again came down. Again buys the coin. And when again the market is going up, you can see at each and every point, it sells the coins and again purchases. That means, in the sense, by splitting the entire target into small quantities and it is taking profit like 1.2 percentage, 1.3 percentage, 1.5 percentage, something like that, in small quantities, the board do trade and give you profits. You don't need to wait up to this level. Every moment, each and every fluctuations, the bot takes juice out of that and gives you profit only. That is called quantitative trading. It trades with small quantities. This is the major difference and major benefit. So it is having no risk, it is highly efficient. But how the bot can work or do all this stuff? How to make the bot work? As I told you, it is not 100% automated. You have to do a little bit. I'm going to explain that. As I told you before, there are some parameters. All these parameters, you don't need to worry about. You don't need to worry about. All these parameters are already built inside the board. There are two ways. There are some copy trading system inside the board. All the parameters are set based on your capital. You can use the settings automatically on a single click. and the entire settings comes to your board, and the board starts trading for you at the right moment. Second thing, if you want your own system, your own parameter, you can do that. You are free to do that. Only thing is that you should know how to set the parameters with some 20 minutes. Just 20 minutes. If you can sit with me, I can teach you how you can do your own personal settings. 20 minutes. Once you learn that, you can do that within 20 seconds and start trading. It is very simple as that is. It is a very simple mathematical algorithm only. Nothing about that. Nothing more than that. It is not a very big rocket launching business to learn more about things and all. Nothing like that. So once you set and click a button, the board starts working for you 24 into 7, and it only generates profit to you. Whether the market is at uptrend or whether the market is at downtrend, it is none of your business. You just do your business and the board will do trade for you and generate profit every day. I will show that these things by the end of this sharing my screen, a live stream from my mobile. I will share it and you will understand all this stuff. So now let us come to one scenario. When the market goes upside, how the board works for you. So you are entering into the market at this level, and the market started to go up. See, your target may be at this level, maybe some 1.2% or something. But the board will not sell at this point because the intelligence system inside the board wait a bit to see whether the market is again going up or not. If it is going again up, the board want to give you more profit, even though you told that I want a profit of 1.2%. So the market reached at this point, and then board waits and see that the market is coming down. Board will do only one check. If the market comes down by more than 0.1 or 0.2 percentage, 0.1 or 0.2 percentage, it will sell it immediately because the board don't want to make any loss to you from your profit. Suppose if it is less than 0.1 or 0.2 percentage market down, the board will not sell. It will wait. Again the market goes up, and at this level, the board may sell. So instead of 1.3%, you are getting some 2.53% profit. See guys, you should see that this fluctuations is coming around the day. All the day this fluctuations comes because it is not a stable market. Cryptocurrency market is highly volatile market. So whenever the market fluctuates, the board keeps working like this only. So in the uptrend, one more important factor to know about is that the board does not use your entire amount to do trade. Why? You put some 1 lakh rupees and the board is not trading with 1 lakh rupees because the board knows how to do the financial management for you. If you put your 1 lakh rupees at this point and then market goes up, and when it comes against you to this area, if it downs by this area, you cannot purchase other coins in lower cost because your entire money is already invested. So when the market goes upside, the board will use only 10% of your capital to do trading, and the 90% of the capital of yours will be used only when the market goes against you to purchase more coins or cryptocurrencies on a lower cost. Then only you can sell it on higher cost. I think it is clear. Now let us see what happens when the market goes down. See, as I told you before, the market gone up and you made a purchase at this point. Okay. Once you made the purchase, the market is going down. So at this point, the bot is purchasing for you again. This is the case when the market is coming down. Then again what happens? At this point, again the bot purchases. So now you come to the manual trading method. If you want to sell this coin, the market should come above this level. Then only you will get profit. Otherwise you won't get profit, right? But here, this is the beauty of this board, that it uses dollar cost averaging system. The dollar cost averaging system means you purchased a coin at this area, again purchased at this area, and again purchased at this area when the market comes down, but the bot creates an average purchase cost at this level. And when the market reaches this level, it clubs all these together and sells at this point on a profit. You don't need to wait that the market should go upside above this. This system, this technology inside the bot is called dollar cost averaging algorithm that you see here. It is a systematic process in martingale strategy. So even the market goes against you, you are in profit. That is the beauty, how the bot brings you profit even though the market is a downtrend. So now the bot works you all these things 24 into 7 into 365, and you are not paying anything, but there is some cost for the bot. See the intention of this bot. This bot is, you think that you don't think that it's a bot. You think that it is your loyal employee, your loyal servant, and it does do exactly what you said. It won't do anything else. It will just give you profit, and you are paying a salary of $120 per year. Per year, not day or not month. That is around $10 per month you are paying a salary for this bot. That is the cost. Only thing is that you are paying this cost to the bot, that is your employee, for 1 year's salary in advance, which is near to $120. Sorry, exactly $120 as of now. So at this moment, the robot is your employee. The bot is your employee. And then there are some intelligent people behind this who created this bot for you. And for them, from your profit, you are paying 20%. It is called gas fee. So when you start trading, you will keep some $20 or something inside the bot. And from that amount, they will deduct this 20%. They will not touch your Binance account. They cannot touch your Binance account. Your profit, your trading capital, your profit, everything is inside Binance only. Bot cannot touch it. Only can trade and generate profit for you. And from here, for the developers, for the company, you are giving, not like in as any other trading system, whenever a purchase you pay, nothing like that. Whenever you generate a profit, means if you generated a profit of $100, you are paying $20. If you generated a profit of $50, on the spot you are paying 20%, that is $10. Like that, only you are paying to the company. This is the only expense that you have. And keep in mind one more thing. You have no loss at all. The bot never creates a loss. That is guaranteed. And see, the bot is generating you 10% to 50%. So how much trading capital you should invest? That depends upon you. Because the sky is the limit. Whatever you have, you can do. But minimum $100 you need to invest because it needs to do trading for you. And I suppose if you have some $1,000 or $5,000 with you, I will also recommend you to start with some $100 or $200 for first month to see it, to feel it, to see how the profit comes to you. And then you be confident. You understand the each and every stuff of this board and how it works. And then you increase your capital. You can increase your capital at any time of moment. And then you will generate some 10 to 50% monthly income out of your trading capital. Okay. So this much of time I was talking about trading. But that trading is personal trading. You are doing trading, you have some money with you, whatever the less is or higher is, you invest that in your own account. Nobody can touch it. That is your bank only. And then the bot trades for you and generates profit for you. That is personal trading. And there is another way of taking income out of this bot. That is second stream of income that makes you rich very faster. Very faster means in the sense dramatically faster. I repeat, you cannot imagine right now what you are going to get if you do team trading. Maybe the term new for you. Don't worry about that. I will explain. This is the point where you are coming to. So as I told before, the personal trading, you are investing some amount and you are trading your own. And as well in team trading, you are trading as a full team. So in that sense, you are generating more income. So for the team trading purpose, there is some sectors, there is some dividends, and there is some ranking criteria provided like V1 to V6, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. What is all this about? How you can become a V1, how you can become V2, and V3, V4, V5, and V6, and getting promoted into different ranks. What you are going to get? That is what I am going to explain you. And before that, let us see what is team trading and how you can start it. So first of all, as I told, this much of time I talked about personal trading, and now I am coming to the team trading. So when you purchase a boat and start your personal trading, you are V1. You are V1. When you start, when you activated your boat, you are V1. And now you just think something from your life, the reality. You are going for dinner, you are going for functions, you are going for many ceremonies, you are enjoying the nature, and you are eating good foods. Everything is there. And after that, what you are doing? You will share your feeling with your friends and relatives. You will share. Suppose you went for a movie. After that, you will express your feeling to your friends. Oh, hey man, you just go and see that. It's a very super, fantastic movie I have ever seen. Right? Some other person may tell, oh my god, I lost my money by seeing that. I came out of that but by halfway. Don't go for that. Don't waste your money. It's a stupid one. That is another feeling. But whatever it is, you are expressing that. And what other people will do? They will express that in a status. When you are from your mobile or your will put your status in WhatsApp or in Instagram or in Facebook or any social media where you are. Because you are sharing your feelings, sharing your expressions in between your friends and relatives. In the same way, when you do start trading and you become V1 and you are expressing your feeling, you are watching for 2 weeks or 3 weeks and you see that you are generating income like some $1, $2, $3. As I told but beginning, you are investing very low amount, and for whatever low amount is, you are getting more than about 10%, and you are expressing that where you are going to get 10% every month, not year. Every month you are getting 10% or 15% or 20%. So you are sharing your emotion between your friends and relatives. So one of your cousin or friend may ask you, hey man, why you did not told me before? I also want to earn. How you are doing that? How can you help me? Okay, I will do one thing. I will make you join. You are inviting him, you are inviting that person into this business, and he also starts the same way that you did, and he becomes V1. And when he becomes V1, what he is doing? The same personal trading. In V1, you can do only personal trading at the beginning. So here comes the beauty of team trading. So you invited one of your friends or one of your relative, whoever it is, and that person start trading. At that moment, the board gives you an introductory fee of $30 to you instantly, because you invited one person into this business. He started trading. So whenever he become V1, by activating the board, paying $120, you are getting $30 instantly, only for the reason that you invited that person into business and you are getting an introductory fee. Is that enough? No. The board want to give you more. If you sell, I don't want more, the board will give you. How? This person is also doing trading. So when he is doing trading, he is also making profit exactly the same or better way or little small way like you are doing, because he is also earning profits only. Out of that profits, as I told, the gas fee, 20% he is paying to the company. From that 20%, this company is giving you 20%. I make it clear, the person who does trade paying 20% of his profits. That is, when he have $100 earned profit, he is paying $20. And the company, the board giving you 20% of that $20. When it is paying? Every second year, every second. Not at the end of the day, not at the end of the month, not at the end of the year. It pays you every second. Whenever the second your friend who doing trading for you got a money, got a profit, at that second, that spot second, you are getting 20% of his profits, 20%. So this is how you are earning doing team trading. Okay. Now let us see one more scenario. So you see that you are getting good profit out of that. You have got very crazy because you are doing nothing and your friend is doing trading and you are getting money. Right? So you become very crazy. You are talking more about that. Wherever you go, you are talking only about that, because you are at too much happy level, because you are earning money without doing anything. So at that point, you think that you got 10 peoples. Sorry. You bring 10 people into that. When you bring 10 people, you earn $300, yeah. $300. At this era, when you are using the social media and all this stuff, think how many friend circles and relative circles you have. From there, if you bring some 10%, you just earn $300. That's it. You are not putting these 10% into any scam or anything, because you know very clearly that this gives profits to you, because you have the profit, you have the proof in your mobile, you have the proof in your Binance. You can withdraw at any time the profits, any time the capital, you can withdraw at any time. So you are pure confident, and when bring 10 persons, you are earning $300. And what next? When all these 10 people earns and they are also generating profit, out of that profit, these are giving 20% of the profit to the board, and the board is paying you 20% to you at the real time. So this is called team trading. Okay. So this way you earn very more money. This is not enough. What is about this V2? How you can become that? And what is the benefit? What is the benefit of becoming V2? That is what you're going to watch now. See, as of now at V1, you just started your personal trading, and when you invite someone to the business, you are getting an invitation fee of $30 and also team trading profit of 20%. And now you see, you talk to many persons and you bring only 3 people. You bring only 3 people and invited to the business. These 3 people are doing same, and altogether your team member become 20 people. At this point, you are promoted to V2. Once you become V2, the invitation fee that you are getting before $30 enhanced to $40. At the same time, before you are getting 20% of team trading benefit, and when you become V2, you are generating 30%. It increased to 10%. See, if you in public sector or government sector, to get a salary hike of 10%, you need to wait for 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Here it is nothing. You are talking only with 2, 3 people. You are bringing only 3 people into that. The rest work they doing. But you are promoted as, and you are getting $40, and as well you are getting 30%.
It's 12 p.m.
Is that enough? No, the board will give you more here. See the next scenario. You bring 5 people into this business, and these 5 people also bringing more people, they become V2, and like that, when there is 3 V2s anywhere out of these 5 people or under there, wherever it is, and your team members become 100, don't worry about become 100. These 5 people, if they become V2, everybody will have 20 team members. That is enough. That will automatically become 100. You are doing nothing. You are only bringing 5 people into that. If you want, you can more. No problem on that. But the scenario is, the first $30 that came up to 40, and now the direct invitation fee becomes $50 here. $50. Because you reach at level V3. You are like a gazetted officer now. And the 20% profit that you are getting as a bonus, that enhanced to 30, and now it is 40% you are getting at this level. So from this level, if you bring a person, you are getting $50. Got it? This is the real beauty, sir. This is the real beauty, and this is not at all completed. It is going on. What is next in V4? You just bring 8 people directly, and out of that 3 become V3, and totally you have 300 members. You become V4, and from that level, when you invite a person, you are getting $60, and the entire team trading that you are getting 20% at the beginning, now it is 50%. Here it is 50%. Can you believe it? It is 50%. We will show that. And what next? It is only V4. At V5, like it's simple, you have 12 persons and altogether 800 members, and 3 persons become V4 under you. The 60 becomes 65 and the 50 become 55. And as well at V6, the topmost level, you need 3 V5s below you, and you have 20 persons directly with you, and you have a team member of 1500. And at that point, whenever you invite some people into this business, $70 you are getting at each and every invitation fee, and the team trading benefit comes to 60%. But how this is gonna benefit you, and approximately what you are gonna get, when you are getting promoted. Let us see. Say as an average, as per present marketing industry, when you are at V1, you are doing personal trading only, and also you are getting 20% of team trading benefit. But when you reach at V2 level, and when you have around some 25-30 members, those who are trading well, $10 per day. I mean, this 20% will become around $10 per day you will get. Per day, approximately. Means monthly $300 you are getting at this level without doing anything. Yes, without doing anything. And at this level, V3, this income, that is the team trading income, will be 100 per day, man, per day, not monthly. $100 per day you are getting. That is the power of team trading. At V4 level, it is $300 per day or more. V5 it is 1000 and V6 it is 2000 or more. How? How it is possible? That is the spirit of team. That is the spirit of team trading. Very simple example, let me tell you. You're going to an office, morning you are very busy, you are not able to prepare anything. You see that when you open the fridge, you can see that there is some bread or something. You just take that and went to office. You have nothing. You have no sandwich. You have no jam or nothing. You have only the dried bread only with you. So the lunch time came. Everybody is going to lunch. You are also sitting before them. There are some 5 or 10 people beside that. So everybody opens the lunch box. You are also opening your box. You have only the dried bread with you. The other guy, he have meals. He have rice. The other person, he have rotis. Other person, he have biryani. Other person, he has some good non-veg curries. Everybody will have something. So just seeing that all these friends contribute to something, something, something from their lunchbox. So now what happened? Your dried roti become a very big thali meal. Now you have everything. From where you get it? Because everything was contributed to you by your friends, that is your team members. In the same way, when the team members trading, you are earning. Without doing anything, with some simple roti, you got a very good meal for your lunch because you are sitting with 20 people. Otherwise, if you sit alone and eat, you will take that dry bread only. So this is the difference between the team trading and personal trading. The team trading, with the support of entire team, you are getting more and more profit. And let me tell you honestly, guys, at this area, I told you all these $1,000, $2,000, etc. I really gave you a false statement, very big false statement, because it is only for some reality sake I did like this. But the actual scenario, as I told at the beginning, it is unimaginable, and you are going to watch it right now. You are going to watch it right now. Yes, guys, see this 106 every day, 438, 272, 234, 132. It varies. See, it increased 1605. It is not Indian rupees, it is dollars. You can calculate average by multiplying by 75 rupees or 76. Forget. Do it with 70 rupees. You will get the figure. See, the next day, this is all days, yeah, days, not years. 3000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 4000, 3600. And you see here that I told you it is unimaginary. Can you see? 19,944, 20,002 US dollars. US dollars. And in India, if you calculate it, 15 lakh per day. Can you imagine? 15 lakhs per day Indian rupees people earning doing this team trading benefits. So this is, guys, that I told, the power of team trading. This is what you have to understand first. So, but I tell you honestly, it is not mandatory that you should do team trading. It is your wish. I called for your dinner. I have pulao, roti, everything, biryani, chicken, mutton, veg, non-veg, curd rice, everything is there. It is you to decide what you want to take. I can only serve. I can only prepare everything. So this boat Royal Q, by thinking of only profits to you, made two streams of income like personal trading and as well team trading. It is you to decide what you want to do. If you want to do personal trading only, you can do that, no objection. If you want to do team trading only, you can do that, no objection. If you want to do both, no objection. It is you to decide. But the boat is for do trading and take profit. The question of loss never erases. I bet you guys, the question of loss never erases. That is the beauty of this thing. That is the real beauty, guys. And now, I have some special bonus for you. Very simple. So if you want to do team trading, you may need to talk about this with someone else. So in that scenario, I will provide you the materials absolutely free, unbelievable supports, and we have dedicated groups, and we have booking schedules and webinars. You can contact me at any time. Only thing is that don't call, just do WhatsApp, because most of the time I will be in one webinar or another recording or something. So I may not be able to attend your calls. So once you send a WhatsApp and I can see that and respond to you at real time. And after that we will make a session and I can explain you each and everything if you have any doubts, and all guidelines to promote and become rich. I can help you. And now what remains is taking an action. What you have to do, guys, you have an invitation link before you. If you are invited by someone else providing this video, contact them. If they are not able to give you anything, contact me. Or in the description, there is my mobile number. You can WhatsApp on that. My Facebook Messenger link is also there. You can contact me. Just tell that I see your YouTube, I want to join with you. And you can start with just $240 only. The splitting is like $120 for both. It's only salary for 1 year, not monthly. 1 year salary you are paying in advance, and $20 you are keeping as in advance as gas fee. And whenever you take profit, at that time only it will be reduced. Otherwise it will not touch. And 100 USD as capital to start with. So if you take a fast action, the first result comes. The fastest result comes. And after saying all these things, if you think that I'm not going to do this, okay, don't do. But at least you watch the video till time and contact me on my WhatsApp. Why you are not ready to start? What challenge you face to start this? I will find a solution for you. But if you are interested, if you don't have interested, it is up to you. I can only provide opportunities. It is you to take action. So take an action, connect with me or connect with the person who sent you this video and start your career, life and increase your wealth. Clear? And now let me share my mobile screen and show you how the board works in real. Okay, so let me take my Royal Q. So you can see at the bottom some news or something. You can see the icon 4 somewhere here. I think you can see that. Let me click on that and see what is that. Order message. Okay. So you can see there is sell in Binance, buy in Binance, and also you can see the timing. Everything is all the transactions that incurred in Binance is being reported here, and if you go back, you can see by today 241, that is at morning, early morning, 355, 426. I was sleeping at that time. By 1:44 a.m. The transactions, as I told, goes on 24 into 7 as it is, if you wherever you go back. And now let me take you the revenue portion. See, this is the how the revenue comes every day. And depending on market, it may go up and go away. And at the 0.000 something that you are saying, I was testing something, and obviously I'm getting profit more than 10%. My capital is little low here, it's only around 50,000. So based on that, I'm getting three nowadays. Now I'm getting $4, $2, $3, etc. Means it is above 10% profit. Okay, so this is my personal trading profits. So let's go to team trading. See, these are all team trading profits that I'm getting around $167. In my personal trading, I earned around $80, but in team trading at the same time, I earned around 167. Maybe little because team members are little low, it will come up. See, if I click on this, you can see how the settlement comes. Oh, unfortunately, it's not able to see now. The detailed explanation, that window has some problem. Otherwise, you can see that that comes every time. And as I told, the $30 that I'm getting is from here. And this is the team trading benefit. This is in addition to the personal trading. So it's also getting good amount. When the team increases and everybody gets good profit, I will also get good profit like this. This is separate. Okay. And these are the coins getting on trade now. Now you can see that the markets are down, but still I will be getting profits out of this. And as I told before, the tradings are going on in Binance only. If you click on that, you can see, I think, yeah, Binance order number, Binance profit amount, profit amount, profit amount, profit amount. This is quantitative trading by. So that is why you are getting small profit each and every time when there's a fluctuations in the market. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to do anything. And as I told what the parameters before. See, let me take one coin that I am trading now. Bitcoin, let me take. These are the parameters. That's all. You don't need to know all about these calculations or anything. I know it very well. But you have two options, as I told. You can either go to these circles. There is a lot of circles like this. Circles means copy trading. Suppose if you click on that, you will get an option to do like this sync strategy. If you click on that button, the entire system will come into you. Okay. And what I'm doing is, I'm not into circles. I'm doing my personal settings only. I will teach you how to do personal settings and earn more and more out of the system. We want to take juice. That's it. So all thing is there. And for supporting and system, there is a very good support team also here. They are working for 24 hours. You will get support. And this is API binding. I'm already binded with my API. So this is what is called the asset, where you are keeping the gas fee. From this gas fee only they are taking it. I put only $20, and what are all the amounts that coming from this Royal QS fee and bonuses, that will be showed here, and we can withdraw at any time. And I have already withdrawn that. Okay, so this is my account. So do start trading. That's it.